I think a lot of our students have never had the opportunity to explore a college campus. We have a number of students that truly want to go to college, so it's important that we expose them to the colleges that are available locally to them, to kind of give them some guidance and get a good feel for what's available for them.
That really stood out to me was the two tour guides we had. They're both in majors and something I want to do, especially the guy who said he was a part of Greek life. He's doing psychology and social work, which is literally what I've applied to every school I've applied to. So I really liked how he spoke. He gives me an idea of what the classes would be like around here. And I want to be a children's psychiatrist and I want to have my own firm to work with children. And so I really liked how I was able to see both sides because I'm minoring in early education. They're not here just to get a degree and that they're actually enjoying what they're doing, because for most people they go into an education where their heart is, but the classes just drain it out of them. And the way they were speaking and acting this whole time, even if I didn't know their majors, I could tell that they were actually here and present and able to pursue what they want to do with the education that they're getting here.
My college days have really stayed with me. And that's where I made my lasting friends, people that, that I still speak to. And, our families are still intertwined, even though, we're getting older now. So it's such a great experience to kind of find yourself and find your people. And that's what I really want for our students at BCLA.
Find your people. It's so difficult to have connections and create culture and unity on this campus, especially a big campus and on a PWI like this. Find your people. They're everywhere, especially here at NC State. They're so easy to find. We have our African American Cultural Center. We have Multicultural Student Affairs. We have Divine Nine Sororities and Fraternities. We have African Student Union, Black Student Union, Caribbean Student Union. There's a place where you can find your people and just find them and hold on to them.
I think it's important that they know that there's all kinds of students that attend the colleges that we're touring, so they can kind of know that, hey, I could come here too. It doesn't matter where they come from, what kind of background they have, if their families went to this school or not, that they have an opportunity just as anybody else.